Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the phone to an SD card and vice versa. Now to get started, we'll need to find the Files app, which will be located in the Samsung folder, and then My Files. And from here you should see the internal storage and the SD card. So I'm going to start off with the internal storage. Both of them will have basically the same folders in them. So going quickly over the actual important ones, which is not very many, considering there's a bunch of them. There's only 3 important folders, and that would be the DCIM folder, which will contain pictures and videos captured with the device. Downloads folder, which will contain, well, anything that you have downloaded, obviously. And then if you scroll down, you should have a pictures folder, which contains screenshots. Now going back up to DCIM, or actually, my bad, it looks like screenshots on here are saved in the DCIM folder as well. So pictures folder will be basically empty. So only 2 important folders in this case. Now anyway, let's go to the camera where, or at least for me, that's where my files are. So that's what I'm gonna choose as an example to move. And once you find your files, all you need to do is simply hold the first one. So if you want only one, then, well, it's already selected. But if you want to select more than one, you can simply tap on additional ones to select more. And from there, choose if you want to move it or copy it. Now I'm going to go with the move option. And from here, once you select one of those 2 options, what you want to do is simply navigate back to a location that you want to move them. Now, if internal storage is not a place where you want to move them, simply keep going back. From here, I'm going to move it to SD card. So I'm going to select SD. And just to keep it maybe a little bit organized, I'm going to go to the DCIM folder, but I'm not going to go anywhere further. So let's select move here, and this will drop them straight in the DCIM folder. Now, because I chose to move them, they are no longer on the internal storage, they're only on the SD card. Now that being said, this is how you could move any kind of file from one location to another. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.